If you're wondering if a Morena skin can pull off a glowy, dewy, glass skin like the Koreans, the answer is yes. Hey guys, it's Nina here and I'm back with another tutorial. So this time I'm just focusing on the skin. A couple of days ago I posted a video of me with a dewy, glowy skin, and a lot of you have been asking me to do a makeup tutorial. So ta-da! Here it is! So this one is called a glowy glass skin for Morenas. Really, the secret to a glass look, dewy, glowy skin is a well-hydrated, well-moisturized skin. There's a lot of steps that I do to make sure that my skin is hydrated so that when I put on that foundation, it's not gonna be cakey, or when I put on that concealer, it's not gonna crease immediately. So I'm gonna show you these steps right now. Okay, after washing my face, I put on my toner, I put on my essence, and then I put on this oil. So this one is by Hanskin. It's Bio Origin Omega 369 oil. This adds a lot of moisture to my skin. As you all know, I have dry skin, so I need all the hydration that I can get. So I just put like a drop or two of that, and then I just dab that into my skin, and immediately, I don't know if you can see, immediately you can see the difference already. And yes, I put some under my eyes. So after that, I'm gonna put on my moisturizer, which is very hydrating and moisturizing as well. This is the one that I'm loving at the moment. So this is Belif by Face Shop. So it says here, the True Cream Acqua Balm. I love the texture of this because it's not very sticky, it's very watery. I'll just put some here first so you can see the difference. As you can see, very moisturized. No dry skin anymore. And every day, I don't forget to use my sunblock. It's a must for me. So this one is by Neogen. It has SPF PA+++. This sunblock doesn't leave a white cast on your face. I love it. Sunblock is a must. If you don't want to age fast, you want to put sunblock. And don't forget your neck and your ears. So after I put on my sunblock, I usually let that sit for like 5 to 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna like fix my bag, choose my shoes, and then I'll come back and put on my makeup. Okay, so after I put on the sunblock, I always put primer. And the primer that I use is also moisturizing. And this is the one that I'm loving at the moment. This one is by Bobbi Brown, Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I love this stuff. This one you should try. A little on the expensive side, but it really, really delivers. And the fact that it has shea butter, vitamin A, and vitamin C, I think it's worth the money. So after that, I put on a liquid highlighter, just so later the glow is really gonna peek through when I put on the foundation. One, you can use any liquid highlighter that you have. So this is what I'm using right now. This is the Becca Shimmering Perfector liquid, and this one is in Moonstone. So I'm just gonna get like a pump like that, and then I'm concentrating here on my cheeks and really on the high points of my face where I usually put the highlighter. I'm gonna move on with the foundation, the Hourglass. So I don't put so much foundation because I don't want to like hide everything that we just did here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit all over my face, just enough to even my skin tone but not really hide the glow. And I'm using this one. This is my favorite foundation brush at the moment. This one is by Zoeva. This is the 104 Buffer brush. For the concealer, I'm using this one by Hourglass as well. So the color of the foundation is Sand, and this one is Beech. So this one is comparable to the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm actually loving this more than that. It's too much. Too much. And then I'm just gonna use that brush again, the foundation brush. So after the foundation and your concealer, I wanna do highlighting again. For that, I'm using this one by Huda Beauty, the 3D highlighting palette, and I'm using Fiji. But if you wanna set your concealer, you can do that. The blush that I'm using is this one by Sunnies Face, and the color is Peach. Peach is the color that is really, really perfect for a Morena skin. Contour. I'm gonna contour. I'm using this one by NYX. With my Huda Beauty again, my Huda Beauty palette. I just broke it. Look. Oh no. Okay, forget about that one. Okay, let's go with my Becca Shimmering Perfector. This one is in, I know I always use Kpop. This time, this one is in Gold Pop. Just gonna enhance the highlighter, the highlighting cream that we've put in there. My contour, I'm using this one by Khouzami. Just bronzing it up a bit. So I've done my eyes, put a little bit of shimmery eyeshadow just to go with the whole look. And now for the lips, I'm just gonna line my lips. For the lipstick, I'm using this color right here. This one is from Etude House. I think this is nude, kind of nude. Not sure if I'm loving that color because I'm going for an orangey kind of look. Let me just top that off with Sunnies Face. Sometimes you just have to use different layers of lipsticks. Make it more orangey or peachy. Yeah, put a gloss. So this helps with the illusion of you glowing. This is from Hourglass as well. I don't know, I'm loving all the products from Hourglass. So to enhance that more, that skin so it lasts long, I'm setting it with this one right here. This one is by Cover FX. This is their dewy finishing spray. I think they have the matte spray as well, but like I said, I want something dewy. So this is a dewy setting spray. Yeah, it's okay to be a little bit extra. So yeah, this is the glowy skin look. I hope that you guys like it. It's time for us Morena to start glowing. Alright, thank you guys so much again, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling.